Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Bobby and you're watching Mind Island Design. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you 3 ways you can easily add a halftone effect to your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. The first way is by using a pattern. So I'm just going to select a shape and I'll use the star tool. And then I'll just hold Alt and Shift to drag out a star shape. So now I'm going to select my fill at the top here and then open up my swatch libraries menu, go down to patterns, and then select basic graphics, and then select basic graphics dots. And then here you can see your different halftone effect patterns. If your images are very small, you can just select this flyout menu and then select large thumbnail view, which is what I'm on right now. And then here you can just select whatever halftone size you want. For me, I think this size is good. And then I'm also going to remove the stroke. So now with my shape selected, I'm going to go to Object, Offset Path, and then you just want to go negative, whatever looks good to you. Actually, I think negative 50 pixels looks good for my shape. Then I'm going to select OK, and then I'm going to select both of these stars, go up to Object, Compound Path, and Make. And then that just cuts out the center of the star. So now in order to change the color, you want to go up to Object, Expand Appearance, and then go back to Object and Expand, then just select OK. And then finally you can go up to Window, select Pathfinder, and then select the crop option here. Once your compound path is cropped, you can actually select your image and change the color. Now the second way to add a halftone effect is by using the Blob brush. And using the same halftone patterns here, you can start drawing your halftone effect. And you can also change the size of your Blob brush by using the square bracket keys. Let's just insert a shape here and I'll show you another way you can draw with the Blob brush and add a halftone effect. So I'm just going to use the ellipse tool and then just create a circle. Under your fill and stroke options here, you'll see a little button that says draw inside. If you select that and then select your Blob brush, when you draw over the shape, it will be within this shape. So let's just grab this halftone effect here and I'll just increase the size a bit more with my square bracket key. You'll see it's contained within this circle. The third way to add a halftone effect to your artwork is by using a gradient. So I'm going to select the ellipse tool and then just draw a circle. And then I will just select the gradient option under my fill and stroke. And now in my gradient panel, I'm going to select radial gradient and then just reverse the colors. Now you want to go up to Effect, hover over Pixelate, and then select Color Halftone. And then here you can select the size of your dots. I think I will do 45 for each channel. And then just select OK. And then you see that the gradient turns to a halftone effect. And you can, of course, with your gradient tool, change the direction. If you want a straight halftone effect, you can just choose the linear option. If you go back to your appearance and then select the color halftone effect, you can also create a more authentic halftone effect with different colors. So for example, if I choose 20 pixels for every other channel and then select OK, this type of halftone effect with some color overlays happening. And those are 3 ways you can easily add a halftone effect to your artwork in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.